Good day everyone. Welcome back to the Azure Fabric series. In today's video, we are diving into something exciting. We are going to create our very first Microsoft Fabric Lakehouse step by step. Whether you are completely new to Microsoft Fabric or just getting started with lakehouses, this video will walk you through everything you need to know to set up your first project confidently. We will go hands-on inside the Microsoft Fabric portal and show you exactly how to get things up and running. No fluff, just the essentials to get you productive fast. If you're looking to build modern data solutions in Fabric, this is the perfect place to begin. So before we jump in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tutorials and real-world demos on Azure and Microsoft Fabric. Let's get started. I will move on to my workspace, yeah. So I'll be using this particular workspace, yeah. And inside that, what I'll do is let's click on this plus new item, yeah. And then when you scroll down, you will be able to see lake houses. Or what you can do is you can search for lake house, yeah. And then under store data, you will see lake house. So let's click on that. And then let's give it a name as JB Lake House. And then let's click on create here. It's getting created. Let's wait for it to complete. It's created now, so it is currently loading the lakehouse. So now if you see here, we are able to see that the JB lakehouse has been created. Yeah. Now if you see here, there is no tables nor any files because we just created our lakehouse. Yeah. And here, if you can see here, it now tells successfully created SQL analytics endpoint as well. So yeah, so it was basically after creating it, it created an SQL endpoint and that is also created. So now it basically tells switch to query with the SQL. So if you see here, we are right now on the lakehouse view. Now when you click on that, you have this option to use the SQL analytics endpoint. When you click on that, you will be able to see the view here as far as the SQL Analytics endpoint is concerned. Okay, so now you have your schema, security, queries, and things like that. Let's move back to the lakehouse here. So now when I click on the lakehouse, we have these details here. Let's go back to the workspace view here. And if you see here, we are able to see our lake house in the workspace. Yeah. So now if you see here, we have these two things where we have this semantic model, which we basically use for connecting to the Power BI and things like that. And then we have this SQL analytics endpoint. Yeah. So when you click on your workspace and then go to your workspace, this is the view that you will be seeing for all the available resources. In my case, I just have the lakehouse, and this is what you are seeing for the lakehouse. Let's click on that. And then you will be taken to this particular view. Yeah. Now we know that we don't have any tables and files, and let's go to the SQL analytics endpoint as well. And then if you see here, we have these schemas, the DBO information schema, and then the sys schema, everything. Once we start creating the required tables, we will be able to see the tables here under whatever schema that you're going to create. So we have the options for creating tables, views, functions, and stored procedures. So all these things are available. Now, when you click on this settings button here, you have these options as far as the lakehouse is concerned. So we have the details of this lakehouse here. Yep, and then we have the SQL endpoint here. So you can use this SQL endpoint. In our next video, we will see how we can connect to this SQL endpoint for this lakehouse from the SSMS. Yeah, so we have other options for Copilot. We have the details for the Power BI semantics and endorsements. Everything is here. So whatever information you want, you can pick it from here. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.